Hello, in front of me I've got RingConn 2. In this video I'll show you how to start exercise. In order to start exercise, let's go to RingConn app. Now enter Insights, scroll down and go to Enter Exercise. Here you can start outdoor running, indoor running and indoor cycling. Select Permissions, Location and Allow all the time. And next, let app always run in background. And it's done. To stop exercise, press pause and press this button to unlock or lock. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.